guys, running Kimono here, and even before we dive into this video today, I want to talk really quickly about my favorite app, which is Fetch Rewards. Oh my gosh, this morning at Walgreens, guys, almost $6 in rebate money. It does not get any better than that. So if you have not signed up for this app, this is your weekend to make it happen because the points are coming from the sky and it's just fantastic. You basically go to the App Store, download it, use my referral code at the top of the screen right here. Punch that in, photograph any receipt, a pack of gum that you bought last week at Walgreens. You're going to be given $2 or 2,000 points. The kicker of why this is such a fabulous app is that when you hit the $5 mark or 5,000 points, you can get yourself a Starbucks gift card. You could be drinking a latte this afternoon. So sign up. Don't forget to use my referral code. This is a tremendous app. Like, I made like $7 this afternoon. It's fantastic. And today everything went really, really well, including a $1.62 Old Spice or Olay. Oh my gosh, a fantastic deal. We have some quarter Suave, very inexpensive Tresemmé. I know that the thing that I said on my Friday video, I wasn't sure if the Fetch rebates would still be there. Guess what, guys? They are still in fact there. So this is a fire deal. Today only, because those rebates are vanishing pretty quickly. We have some free laundry products and free toothbrushes as well. So this is just winning in every single angle and degree over at Walgreens today. So this is going to be a great video. Weather report for you guys. Kind of a nice one today, a little bit humid. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Yesterday was her birthday, so happy belated birthday, Mom. Hope you're having a fantastic day and staying cool. And at the very end, we're going to talk about some coupon mail. Okay, so Walgreens is fantastic this week. So the first deal that we have is with the Old Spice and Olay. You will have to get a mix. You can't just get 4 of one, unfortunately, for this specific deal. So I grabbed 2 of the Olay. This is a coconut oil one, and there's a 2 off a 2 digital coupon that's attaching to it, along with this guy. And there is a $5.49 coupon that's attaching when you buy either the dry sprays or body wash. So it's an either or. So I went with this body wash, and this specific one, Swagger, that coupon is attaching, and remember the 2 off of 2 is attaching to that. So these guys this week are 2 for $12. So 4 of them is $24 on the nose. We have the 2 off of 2 coupon for the Olay that's coming off, and these are all digital manufacturers as well, plus the $5.49 off of the 2 for the Old Spice. What a gift that is. So the new subtotal is $16.51. At this point, guys, I threw in 10,000 points. I paid $6.51 out of pocket, got back my 10,000 points. So $6.51 for the 4 or $1.62 per body wash. I mean, that is just a tremendous deal. Now I'm definitely going to photograph my receipt, submit it to P&G Good every day. Plus, if you followed the math of what I was doing, as I used, you know, $7.49 of manufacturer coupons plus 10,000 points, the remainder for this basket is $6.51 that I can submit to that website, P&G Rebates. So buy 50, get back a $15 gift card. So hopefully that makes sense. You would have to keep the UPCs on the products along with your receipt. And then when you hit $50, you would email them off your receipts and a bit of information. Very easy to do. Just give yourself a little bit of time and root around that website to figure it out. It's pretty easy to follow. Go to the website and just read a little bit. You'll probably be able to figure it out in 10 minutes flat. So anyhow, just keep a really good record of your notes. And for this one, as an example, it would be $6.51 after all of my coupons and all of the store points that I used for this one. Okay, the next deal that I did is with the Suave products, and this is a today only deal, so Sunday only. These guys are 2 for $5. And there's a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that showed up this morning. So I'm paying 2 out of pocket. And then Fetch Rewards had 750 points back when you buy one of these products. So that's 1,550 I got back. So guys, the final price point for this was 50 cents for 2 or 25 cents each. It doesn't get any better than that. And I know a lot of you might have the Checkout 51 rebate. I mean, that might be even better. My experience with Checkout 51 is that anytime a manufacturer coupon is anywhere near a sort of product for a rebate like this, it always gets rejected. And maybe that's just my account. It's been flagged or something like that. But even with Fetch, it's just a terrific deal. Okay, so the next little dealio that I have is on the Tresemmé shampoo. This is fanciness in a bottle. So these guys at my store were $4.99 a pop. So for 4 of them, that's $19.96. I had 2 5 off of 2 coupons from a recent Retail Me Not. So I had to pay $9.96 out of pocket. I used 10,000 points. And then I got back this $4 register reward, if it'll ever focus. Focus, focus, focus. And then I also got back 4,599 points back from Fetch. Oh my God, that is like a Christmas gift right there. So the final price point for everything after everything is said and done is $1.37 for the 4 or 34 cents per Tresemmé shampoo, conditioner. This is a fantastic deal, and this is a Sunday only deal, and what a hot one that is. So absolutely go into your Fetch Rewards Discoveries page and see if you might have some of these rebates. And if you do, get out to the store today, because a lot of them are expiring today, and this is the day to do them, because it's just like Price is Right moments with a punctuation mark at the end. I love these deals when they work out, and how fantastic is that? The next little freebie that we have is with the Oral-B toothbrushes. These guys, I saw them tagged at my store and I was like, oh my gosh. So they are $3.99 each. So for 2 of them, that's $7.98. Using 2 $2 coupons from the August P&G, we're subtracting $4 right there. I'm left with paying $3.98 out of pocket. Now I basically used 4,000 points, and then I got back a $4 register reward, making it free. And I can also submit this to P&G Good every day because Oral-B is part of their catalog, and I just love getting these fancy dancy toothbrushes for free. I mean, there's nothing greater than that. This is obviously the deal of the week over at Walgreens, and I know that there's some manufacturers for the Snuggle that are expiring today. But there's also a 3 off of 2 digital. If you loaded it a couple weeks ago, you're in business. If you didn't load it, you might be out of luck too, guys. And then there was also $1 for the Purex 4-in-1 packs, that specific one. So just following the math, we're going to show you 2 different transactions, or I did it all in one transaction because I only used 1 of each coupon, but I used a digital for this. So buying 2 of these Snuggle dryer sheets, and they actually smell really good. So a 70 count, they're $2.99 a pop this week. So for 2 of them, that's $5.98. I had a 3 off of 2 digital that I used. So my new total would be $2.98 out of pocket. Now you can use points to earn points because this is a buy deal. You're going to get back 4,000 points, making it free plus $1.02 money maker. The next deal I did use manufacturer coupons with, and again, same deal. They're $2.99 a pop, so that's $5.98. $1 for this one and $1 for this one. So it dropped it down to $3.98. And I got back my 4,000 points, making it essentially free. So this coupon I think is valid till a little bit later in the month, but this one's expiring today. And then that digital coupon I think is expiring on the 4th, so use it or lose it. And I'm certainly happy to get 4 laundry products completely for free. It's the best kind of laundry products. Now guys, if you can head out to Walgreens today, especially for some of these Unilever deals, make it happen, because there's nothing better that when you get some like free cheap stuff. Fetch Rewards app is killing it, and I'm so delighted that those rebates are there today, and it all worked out perfectly. So I'm like smiling ear to ear. And $1.62 for the Olay and Old Spice. Hello, that is couponing right there. Okay guys, so we're going to go through the August P&G. She sent me an assortment of inserts. However, this is all she has in stock. Anytime you want to take a quick pause, because we're just going to cruise through these coupons. These are the elusive Tide coupons that I know a lot of you are looking for. But sorry that I can't show you everything, but I think she sold out of like pretty much everything. So sorry about that, guys. Again, anytime you want to pause just to like look at something a little closer, please do that. And if you're a Dollar General queen, my goodness gracious, this is the insert to be buying, because there's so many great coupons in here. For Walgreens this week, this $2 coupon along with this little $2 one for the brush, those are the two that I was using. And yeah. Olay. Just a whole host of really great coupons. And I think at the end of August, that's when those Tide ones are expiring, so you have a while to use them. Now this one kind of tripped me up because I had to read it a couple times, but for the one in the P&G, you have to buy 1 body wash and 1 deodorant, but the digital is either or, you buy 2 of one or 2 of the other. So just a little food for thought right there. But yeah, I had to read that one like 3 times. I'm like, I don't get this. Oh, that's why. Yeah, and I professionally do those voices. Like I do it all the time. It drives my husband nuts sometimes. So for everybody that hates my imitations, this guy probably even hates it too. Just a whole host of it. And this is the spend 50, get a $15 gift card. It's pngrebate.com. Go to that website if you need more information, but keep your receipts, your UPCs, and a really accurate representation of your subtotals after coupons, and you should be in business with that. So looking at Sandra's link tree, all she has is the August P&G. So boom, there it is. I will also link her YouTube page in the notes. So if you want to check out what else she might have, send her a message on Instagram, send her an old-fashioned email. It's all in the notes of this video. And it's all right here, guys. See where that arrow is? So if you go below at the bottom, boom, there it all is. So send her a quick message if you're not sure, like an old-fashioned email, and she will send some out to you. And I will let you guys know that the mail has just been a mess, even for me. I have a bunch of eBay orders, some fanciness I bought, and half of my stuff has been like stuck in a postal warehouse in Denver for a while. So if you need these the next day, you might have to factor in that because of that terrible virus, all the mail has been really delayed as well. So, but send her a quick message. Maybe she'll be able to talk with you and to put some sense into this. But it's been kind of hairy for me too. So I know that a lot of you that, you're like, I want my stuff right away. That might not be the case. And because even for myself, like I've ordered some shoes and stuff and then a couple things from eBay, and it's like 2+ weeks for priority mail, which is usually 3 days, which I don't fully understand. Anyhow, I could talk about this forever. I will not. Have a great afternoon, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.